Sahodaranmare, Salam, Namaskaram, Priya Sagakale on the stage, our leaders and our MLAs, Jalil Bhai, Comrade Sri Ramakrishnan, Vasudevanji, all the other leaders of the LDF on the stage. I am very happy to be here to support the candidature of the LDF candidate Bhai Abdur Rahman. And I especially extend my greetings to my sisters because morning time is very busy for them. But still they have come. Thank you very much. Sometimes my brothers ask me, why only you are thinking of the sisters? I have to tell them, no, we are equal, but the women work harder. So when the women take the flag of the LDF, then no power is there to push us back. I am especially happy to be here to extend support to Bhai Abdur Rahman because I believe in this period when politics of principle is being sacrificed, here is an example of a person who has upheld principles in public life, upheld principles in politics, given up the corruption that he has seen and come to join the People's Caravan, the LDF. And especially the coincidence of the name of Abdur Rahman reminds us of the history of another Abdur Rahman who was here in Kerala and considered a great leader by the people of Kerala. That Abdur Rahman, when he became president of the KPCC, who was the secretary at that time? Who was the secretary who raised the voice for Abdur Rahman to become president at that time? It was none other than our beloved leader, Comrade E.M.S. Namboodiripad. Two types of Congress is there. One section of the Congress who wants to uphold the old principles. Jikku Joppen. In this party now only Jikku Joppen, Salim Raj, Jayalil now. They are not constables, they are being defended by the Chief Minister of Kerala. They are Jayalil, they are in jail. Chandi Chondyachin. Press the chin about Chandi, where he will be tomorrow we cannot say. So no place for the honest in the Congress today. No place for principles in the Congress today. On the other hand, we have those other congressmen who are leaving the Congress and joining the BJP. Today we have seen in the news, Noida, that is near Delhi, a place called Noida. There, the Congress candidate has lifted his hands and said, we are joining the BJP. Leader after leader is joining the BJP. That shows Congress poi. And therefore all those congressmen and women who are honest, who want to uphold secular values, today they have no place in the Congress. Today the question is, what is the agreement with the Muslim League and the Congress? We can understand some political agreement may be there, but here they have handed over everything to the Muslim League. And what has the Muslim League done with the power that they have? How have they used that power? I know this member of parliament who is stood here from this constituency. We don't believe in politics of caste. We believe in justice for all. But you ask Mr. Bashir, when Muslims were being tortured in different parts of India, where was Mr. Bashir? You ask Mr. Bashir, when his leader E. Ahmed and his leader Mr. Anthony were buying arms from Israel. These people are not bothered about the issue of solidarity and justice with those outside fighting against the Israeli-American power. Today this league, not Muslim League, it has become the money league. They take money in the name of the Muslims and they use that money for themselves. They use that money for sectarian reasons. They have never used that money for the welfare of the community. And therefore I say to you today, Ponnani has to become an example of principles in public life, of honesty in public life. Abdur Rahman is not only the candidate of the LDF, he is the candidate of every thinking citizen of Ponnani. He is the candidate of every thinking member of all political parties. Today we have to tell the Congress that doing Shashtang Pranam in front of Muslim League is not going to get you votes. Doing bowing before the Muslim League is not going to get you votes. Because people here know that your agreement, what is agreement in Malayalam? Karar. Muslim League Congress Karar. Money League Corruption Karar. Adimadi Congress. Money League, Muslim League. That Karar is against the interests of the people. Today people say that vote for the UDF because they will stop Modi. Nowadays there's no tax on dreaming. Dreams illa. What is dream? Swapnam. Swapnam. Hindi also Swapnam. Tax means tax, whether Malayalam or Hindi or English. Tax is tax. There's no tax on Swapnam. Is there any tax on Swapnam? Illa. No tax on Swapnam. They are seeing those dreams. But everybody knows today, my dear friends, that there is no chance of the Congress and its allies even coming anywhere near the seat of power in Delhi. And why is that? Because in the years of their rule, they have done nothing for the people. And unfortunately, the people of Kerala, they have got hit twice over. Randadi. Randadi. The first Adi is from Chetan Baba sitting in Delhi. Second Adi from Anyan Baba sitting in Trivandrum. And for people in Malappuram, third Adi is also there. That third Adi is from Manili. And now the people of India have decided that these wrong policies of the Congress, which have only helped the rich, which has only helped the interests of the big American multinational companies, price rise, that is in Malayalam price rise. Vilakaitam. How much Vilakaitam we have had to face? Every month Vilakaitam. Every commodity Vilakaitam. Even even Ulli Vilakaitam. There is no ending to the tears for the Ulli. You think about it, my dear friends. 28 times they have raised the price of petrol. 18 times they have raised the price of diesel. You ask these allies of the Congress, what is their karar? When the price is going up, they are keeping shut. Maun. What is silent? Maun? Maunam. Money League, Maunam League. Why? Because they do not want to say a word in Delhi. They never open their mouth if there's anything wrong there. That is the Karar. And we have to fight price rise. We have to fight Adimadi. Lakhs of crores of rupees of the people have been looted. Kolla. Loot. That is only the word. Kolla. That is the Aadhar of the Karar. Therefore, my dear friends, these are the reasons why today the Congress is being rejected by the people. And because of the anger of the people, the most communal force in Indian politics, the RSS, the BJP, and today the RSS nominated Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi has appeared on the scene. I ask you, who has built the road for them? It is the Congress party, it is the Muslim League. Where is the Congress? They are sending their MPs as the B team of the BJP. And today in Kerala, they are raising the slogan to stop Modi, vote for Congress. Congress hai nahi. There's no Congress. Only people, the only force fighting the RSS is the left and those who we want to bring together. I request you, my dear brothers and sisters, through you to all your family, your neighbors, your friends, reach out to every voter in the next 6 days and tell them Ponnani is ready for change. Ponnani is going to elect a man of principles. Ponnani is going to see a unity among all sections behind Abdur Rahman Bhai. And don't forget the cup and the saucer.
Yes.
That is our symbol. Only you have to add. Kappam sauceram.
Yes.
That is our symbol. Ensure his victory. My dear sisters, you have a very special responsibility in this. To every house you go and ensure that Kappam sauceram is that symbol which is going to bring development and peace and secularism and harmony to Ponnani. Thank you very much. Inqilab Zindabad.